Hi, I'm Tim from Bosch Home Appliances. Congratulations on your new Bosch purchase. Did you know that routine maintenance helps keep your dishwasher running at peak performance? I'm going to show you how simple it can be and what to look out for. But remember, you always have the user manual for any troubleshooting. For general use of your dishwasher, always scrape your dishes before loading. There's no need to rinse, as many programs have a pre-rinse cycle built in. To ensure your dishwasher is running at peak performance, remember to clean your filter regularly. Here's how easy it is. All of our dishwashers have a system called AquaStop. If the sensors detect a leak, the dishwasher will automatically begin draining water to prevent leaking into your kitchen. This provides a higher level of anti-flood protection. However, it is crucial that the dishwasher remains connected to power for this to work. Our dishwashers also have a brushless motor drain pump. The advantage of these over conventional pumps is that they're more energy efficient, faster and quieter, so there's no gargling sounds. Finally, our machine care program is there to help remove grime and limescale buildup to ensure your dishwasher is clean and fresh. We recommend running this option once a month, and it can be used with a Bosch descaler or dishwasher cleaner. The machine care program should only be run when the dishwasher is empty. If you follow these simple steps, you'll help keep your dishwasher in optimal shape. If you have any further questions about your dishwasher, refer to the user manual or head to our website for more details.